It's my great honor to introduce you our factory. FFDBURR is a comprehensive and professional coffee grinding burrs manufacturer in Shenzhen Guangdong China. Our factory specializes in designing, developing, and producing the coffee bean grinder conical and fat wheel grinding burrs for the coffee industry since 2004. Dedicated to the best coffee grinder burrs was our consistent approach and principle. Till now, in the course of nearly 20 years of development, we have been grown and developed into the most representative and influential manufacturer in the country, and be well recognized and highly appreciated by majority customers from all over the world. Coffee burr as the most important household opinion components for coffee grinder and coffee machines. We make our own self-designed special precision machinery for our own coffee burr production needs, so that the huge production capacity demand, mass stability, uniformity, and continuity guarantee are all the advantages we enhance and superior to our competitor in the coffee grinding industry. A lovely coffee and a good brewing can do without a good grinding burr. The coffee conical burr and coffee fat burr blinds we make would keep meet the market and the industry needs in future with you all. So just feel free to work and cooperate with us with no doubt. Your trust is always our greatest support. Let's work together to make the coffee industry more and more prosperous and diversity. Love coffee, love grinding. Your most reliable one-stop coffee grinding solution here.